Now, who said that we need to go out and buy in a restaurant mozzarella sticks? Who said, because we in this lectin-free lifestyle, that we can't eat mozzarella sticks anymore? That's why we made this for you, because we still eat mozzarella stick and we still could eat whatever we want. We don't gotta wait for that cheat day to eat this, because we have made it and we're gonna share it with you guys. Let's see how we make these mozzarella sticks.
So we finished double coating the rest of our cheese sticks, our mozzarella sticks. Double coating, I think, is a better way to go, just because you want a nice thicker layer outside your cheese for when you're frying it. I've got my pan in the back warming up on medium high, maybe about 1/3 inch of oil. I'm using extra virgin olive oil for this, but you can also use avocado oil, whichever is your preference. So I'm just gonna go ahead and fry these and get it going.
Wow, so it came out nice. It came out nice. We got the marinara sauce that we already have pre-made. And of course, if you want to know how we make this marinara sauce, make sure that you click on this video right now. Now, tell them a little bit about the mozzarella sticks.
I think they came out wonderful. Double coating was definitely the way to go. You might not have perfect mozzarella sticks every time, or all of them might not come out as perfect, but that's okay because they're still delicious. I know that I want to work a little bit more on my coating. That's fine. I had some cheese oozing, but I mean, I don't mind. But if you want to, you know, if you're going to give this to someone, maybe you're going to want them to look a little more like what you would go and purchase outside. But otherwise, they are great.
Oof. And now let's taste these, because I can't wait. And that's her favorite. I mean, this is one of her favorites. So let's taste these mozzarella sticks. Some of them opened up, like she told you. This one didn't open up. It's nice.
It's all in the coating. It's all in the coating.
Now we dip it on some of these pizza sauce.
Yes.
That coating is great. A2 mozzarella cheese is great. Wow.
Seasoning that outer layer is definitely a game changer.
It's so good, I want to eat all of them.
Yeah, I can see he's got a good pace going, you know. Hey!